of the losing team.
Runners-up Iqbal 11 received rupees 35,000.
Actually, first of all, our toss was very important for us. They won the toss. They decided to bat. There was a plus point for them, and they had scored 145. 145 is not tough. The second batting, the ball was a little bit down. There was a pressure for us, and for the first 2 overs, our 2 wickets has gone. That was the main pressure. And my run-out was very important for me. That was Graham has come from me. That was a very crucial, very important for us.
Zahir Sadekar of Royal Challengers was named man of the match for his fine figures of 4 wickets for 17 runs. Royal Challengers captain Damodar Redkar was named man of the series and winning team was presented rupees 75,000.
It's about playing cricket out there. It's nothing about losing toss or winning toss. We have to play, everybody plays to win the match. That's all. We have decided not to lose wickets in 6 overs. Whatever happens, let's see step by step after 2 overs. That was our more important. Everybody in our fielding side, everybody was very quick enough to field the ball and not to give singles, doubles. We was very quick enough. And meantime, in between, we was getting support from outside also, from all the crowds and especially support by Gunny and all.